Welcome to Martel Electronics. Today we're going to cover a short presentation on the BetaGauge PI and PIR-PRO digital test gauge. The BetaGauge PI and PIR-PRO are easy to use, low-cost calibration and test instrumentation for pressure applications. This digital gauge takes the concept of an analog test gauge and brings it to a new level. The new BetaGauge PIR-PRO combines the accuracy of digital technology with the simplicity of an analog gauge and achieves performance, ease of use, and a feature set unmatched in the pressure measurement world. The PIR-PRO provides reference class for more critical, higher applications. Performance. The BetaGauge has a wide temperature compensation from 0 to 50 degrees C. This provides suitable use in any typical manufacturing or process control environment. The standard gauge has an accuracy of plus or minus 0.05% of full scale. The PIR-PRO adds reference class accuracy to 0.04% of reading or plus or minus 0.01% of full scale. Construction. The BetaGauge features a zinc aluminum alloy high cast pressure housing. This is good for an IP rating of IP65. It's durable, it can take abuse. It has an easy to access dedicated battery compartment and an easy to access RS-232 port for data extraction. The BetaGauge comes standard with a protective rubber boot. User interface. The user interface consists of 4 simple buttons that let you go through all the menus with ease of use. 0, min-max, config, and enter are directly on the front panel. The BetaGauge also features a large, easy-to-read display, 5.5 digits, 0.65 inches high, with companion percent of range bar graph to provide easy to read from any distance. The sample rate can be user adjusted to match the measurement required. The power savings mode maximizes battery life to over 2,000 hours. Other features include min-max, auto power off, and backlight control. General features. The BetaGauge features 18 different engineering units plus 1 custom. This eliminates tedious conversion calculations for those units that are not supported. It has user set sampling rate, the highest sampling rate in the industry, the min-max feature, and then a quick data logging feature. Don't forget about the RS-232 serial port for remote control applications. General features continued. User configurable damping, useful for any process applications such as flow, where the measurement is noisy, or other issues where the pressure is pulsating. The tare function offsets any kind of reading you would have, such as a head pressure in a tank farm or a dead leg. The auto shutoff feature with the user set time delay conserves battery life and can be disabled for constant on applications. Data logging. The BetaGauge features the Beta Data Log software. Whether you want to log data for 1 PI-PRO reading or 100, it's easy to use and low cost. The user can set up operation modes for a wide variety of settings, including multiple interval selection options for 1 second to 1 hour. Data logging runs can range from only a second to weeks. Log ambient temperature along with pressure for leak testing applications. There are 4 types of data capture modes which allow you to either log data or only points you're interested in. Continuous, which logs all the data at predefined intervals. Data high, which logs the data only when it raises over a preset value. Or data low, only when the data falls below a preset value. Or delta trip, for detecting noise or transients in the pressure signal. Approvals and compliance. The BetaGauge is CE compliant for RFI and EMI standards. CSA approval for Class 1 Div 2 areas, and ATEX approval for both fixed and portable applications. Applications. The BetaGauge can be used for several different applications for reliable pressure monitoring. This includes hydrostatic pressure testing, switch testing, leak detection, wellhead pressure monitoring, analog gauge comparisons, and many more. BetaGauge kits. Don't forget about the BetaGauge kits. From ranges from 50 psi to 10,000 psi are available in kit form with the appropriate hand pump, connection hose, fittings, and hard side carrying case.
For more information, please visit Technical.